high tide, it looks like it's on its way out right now, but when this is all the way out, there's a massive sand flat here. And if you've walked around the island, you'd probably recognize that there's not a lot of sand. It's all reasonably rocky. And so when you want to raise clams, you want sand, which like means that, you know, a space like this was highly valued, right? This was where we could like produce a huge like volume of you know, food. So there would be the Xwaaq, which used to live just up along the outside edge over there, and even, you know, like just around like the bend. That was all the home of the mergansers, and then all in here would be clams and cockles and crabs would all be in here. And then just over that way, there's a huge like field that would all be Garry oaks, where we would raise camas. And then spread like throughout here are like all of these other like vegetables, like the flowers from the maple tree, you know, like we'd eat those, and there's millions of them. Like if you watch like when they're out, you could eat all day every day and you'd probably never like run out of those. And these are all over through here. There's the what we call the halila, or the salmon like berry, which you can eat the young shoots, you can eat the like flowers, and you can eat the like berries. Up on the edge of the meadows are all of the thimbleberries, which you can use to you can eat the young shoots, you can eat the flowers, you can eat like the berries, but the like berries are high in natural like preservative that we now know as pectin. So it was used to like mix with other like berries in order to make like fruit leather. There are crab apples, you know, like, you know, that actually would have lived up in here, that, you know, we'd be eating, and from like what I've heard, you know, like we had those here. You know, they're not necessarily, you know, like introduced. It was always here. And there are even techniques for a lot of those like foods with which we would store them in, you know, like fats. So if we were to you know, like harvest, you know, like a seal, or you know, like a whale, we could extract that like fat, and then submerge those crab apples actually in the fat, and they will like last and last and last and last, because they don't have access to, you know, like oxygen. So there's all of these like traditional, you know, foods here. And then all the way along here is what we refer to as sakas. The English name is green laver, or sea lettuce. I was just asked earlier if you know, I would eat it. If I didn't have anything else to eat right now, I would eat it. But it is usually harvested in springtime, when it's young and tender. If you've ever raised spinach or like lettuce, when they get older, they get really like chewy and hard to eat. This is exactly like that too. You want it when it's, you know, young. But from what I've learned, you can eat almost every seaweed. It's just whether or not you can actually eat it, you know. So like I was, you know, like I was saying earlier, if you want to eat this, you know, like now, you would absorb the like nutrients, but it's like chewing news like paper. It's very, it won't lump up in your mouth. It just like spreads around in your mouth until everything in your mouth is like wrapped in it. Don't ask me how I know. Well, you know, I'd ask elders, and they go, oh, yeah, you know, you can eat it if you want. So you just put it in your mouth. Oh, see, it's good. Oh, yeah. Okay, Uncle, thank you. One of the other ones that is usually would actually be out in like the rocky areas is what we call the or the bull kelp. You can eat like the whole like plant as long as it's adequately cooked. I've had the main stalk transformed into a relish. It's actually like really really nice. But it's also another example of a traditional technology with the large like round float on the end of it, and like the long shaft is like all the way hollow. So if you have like water in the end of it, and you have like a long crooked stick that you can slide into the shaft, you can heat the water in the end, and it'll actually steam the wood, and then you can warp the wood, and you can use that like to make hooks or like hoops or like arrows, right? It's a really easy way to steam wood. And so there, like a lot of our the foods are also technologies, right? Like it's utilizing it like for everything, as opposed to just